We all grew up with these mid-90s Hondas, and that's kind of what we still race and what we still are passionate about. When it comes to finding OEM parts for them, it's getting harder and harder and harder. The parts are being discontinued by Honda. The parts that are coming on the market are extremely expensive. That's what piqued my interest about Cris over at irunOEM. It's McGrath Acura up in Chicago. He runs a brand called irunOEM, and he actually targets a lot of those hard to find Honda parts. You know, he's got Type R armrests in stock. He'll have a Type R front lip in stock. A lot of these old parts that we kind of need to freshen up our cars, he's going out there, he's finding them, he's putting them on order with Honda, he's patiently waiting for them to come in. And you know, when they're coming off a back order, he's able to snatch them up and offer them to his customers. So we use a lot of OEM Honda parts in our race engine program, so it makes a lot of sense for us to kind of partner up with him for this year. You know, OEM timing chains, OEM chain guides, oil pans. So there's a lot of OEM parts that go into our race engines. We need to partner with somebody that can get us those parts at a great price, get us the customer service that we needed. So Cris over at irunOEM did that, and we're super happy to be working with him. Check him out. He has a lot of those hard to find parts that you're looking for.